All right, today we're doing some chicken wings once again. We're going to start with a whole wing, separate the drum from the flat, and take the tips off. We're doing a little different today. We're making taco wings. To make taco wings, we're going to use a little bit of baking powder, like always, to crisp them up. And then we're going to cover it in taco seasoning, put it in our sauce with butter, hot sauce, and taco sauce. All right, I'm going to let the steak wolf try a little bit of chicken here. Just the tip. So we're going to season these up first with the baking powder, and then a pack of taco seasoning. We're just going to mix that all up real good. Alright, so we're going to start with a whole stick of butter. Taco sauce, and hot sauce. This hot sauce is actually kind of mild. You don't have to use this type, but for our case, I think we're going to use the whole bottle. Add the taco seasoning. All right, we're going to have a little celery with our wings, so we're taking 16 ounces of sour cream and a whole ranch packet just to make our dip. Get a little celery ready. Butter's pretty melted. That smells real good. So I just tasted this sauce here, and perhaps I underestimated how spicy that stuff was. So I'm going to cut it a little bit and add a little more tanginess to it with some Italian dressing. That's maybe half a bottle. All right, try that with a new addition there. That's going to make some really good wings.
Hey, can one of your other men come over here and comment on the meat while I'm cooking it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, those are looking good. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, don't flip them too often now. You don't want to lose the juices. Yeah, coming along nicely. Those are cooking just fine. Scoop that one up and put it back down in the exact same spot.
All right, they're done.
Finally, time to sauce the wings. All right, it's finally time. I am starving. This looks great. I'm gonna ease in. Let's try a little celery and some of this ranch. Of course, it's good. Bell pepper. Sweetness of that pepper and that creamy sauce. It's delicious. Yeah. There's no going wrong here. We got our taco wings, we got our taco sauce, we got our creamy ranch. That is one of the best things I've ever eaten. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, but most importantly, try this recipe seriously.